page, you know that is called Google, that is called ads.google.com, and you will find this dashboard. You have here the overview, or you could be here in the campaigns. In this case, we are in the campaigns, and we're going to click here in the plus. And remember that if you are in the overview, it says create new campaign, and it's the same. It's no difference. So the next part is to create a campaign without a goal guidance, because we don't really want that Google does what really wants. Just we want to do what we really want. And the next part is to click here in the search button and click here in the continue. We want to select any of these because it's the same part. We want to do what we want, not what that Google wants. And the next part is to type the name of the campaign, and we're going to click here Mexico City campaign. I want to tell you something. Tlaxcala is a small town that is 2 hours driving to the east of Mexico City, or 1 hour driving to the north from Puebla City. Mexico City is the largest metropolis in Mexico, and Puebla is the fourth. So in this case, we're going to create only one city, because because Mexico City probably is the population of a country. So I want to type here the Mexico City. Just to know that you can go here and click here on the location, and click here and enter another location, and you can. I'm going to write here Mexico City. And Mexico City has a lot of boroughs, so we can select one just if you prefer. Or in the case that you are in the other place, you can select a borough, a specific borough, because it contains a large density of population. The next part is to select the languages. Remember that you can write here the English and Spanish. In this case, I read Spanish because most of the people speak Spanish in Mexico, but probably if you want to do a specific target just to attract people from foreign countries, just you want to create only people that speak English. In this case, I'm going to delete Spanish because I just want to lead customers that are from other countries and that they are in Mexico City and they want to travel to Tlaxcala. Probably they don't know because this is a hidden town. But however, they can arrive because they watch the advertisement and something like that. So the next part, if you have already an audience, you can select your audience that you have created. In this case, I want to select anyone, but if you have some audience, it is important to click here. But in this case, we won't select any audience. The next part is the budget, the minimum budget that for a large city, Google suggests at least 10 US dollar. In this case, 10 US dollar is approximately 200 Mexican pesos. The next part is the bidding, or the bidding, I don't remember the pronunciation. And we're going to click here to set the CPA. It is important, it is a good CPA cost. The CPS is cost per action, so when they click on your ad, Google charges you. And then we have to add here the ad extension. We're going to include here it is important if your ad will be outside of your town to place the local extension. It could be you can add mesh and extension, or you can click here some call out extension. If you have some discount or something related, you can add it over there. You can add your number because people want to know, or want to call you before going to your restaurant, and you add here all the extension that you want. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, it's time to do it. It is crucial for anything else that you have to do. So you have to subscribe, please. And we're going to click here in the save and continue. Obviously, you have to write over there what you really want, and then you have to type the ad group name. In this case, I'm going to type here Chevatlan for foreign in Mexico City. You can place here your web page. In this case, it is written in Spanish because, well, currently my business is mainly focused on local people. And you can type here your website, and you could have some important AdWords. So in this case, you're going to click here, the first of all, craft beer in Tlaxcala. It is important to write this with these kind of characters in order to narrow the outcomes. When someone is looking for the craft beer in Tlaxcala, just appear for the correct person. You can click here, pizza in Tlaxcala. It is important because someone can find the place called Tlaxcala, and we are going to appear only to the people that are looking for pizza in Tlaxcala, craft beer in Tlaxcala, and wings in Tlaxcala. These are the words that we are, well, the products that we are offering. Something else is called, that we offer are sausages, German sausages. And I'm going to write these words. Probably I can have more, or probably the beer style that we offer. For example, we offer stout beer in Tlaxcala. American Pale Ale in Tlaxcala. And words that are related to your products. So in this case, it is a specific, these are specific keywords that only people that are looking for this kind of products my ad will be posted for them when they are looking for on the Google search, Google searching their mobiles, or I don't know. So in this case, if you want to add some new ad group, just you have to add here, or just you have to click here and save and continue. And I don't know, you will have to add a comma. Well, we're going to delete here the in, because if you can read, you can write more than 10 words per keyword. So in this case, I will need to check this, save and continue. And as you see, we have deleted some of our products. So the next part is to add here your final URL. Yes, you have to copy paste your website. I recommend you that you place here your menu of your restaurant. The headline is taste the best beer in Tlaxcala. Just for one letter. I'm going to delete this, but best pizzas in Tlaxcala. And delicious cuisine in Tlaxcala. And if you want to add more headlines, you can do, but you have to create more ads. And remember, in the display path, just you have to here reserve now. Just here in the call to action words, and you add here the description. For example, are you craft beer lover? Come to Chevatlan and try our different style. You have 90 characters per description. For example, here do you come to Chevatlan and taste our craft beers and the cuisine that we offer. I don't know. More words that you can add here, and you can add more descriptions. And if you want to create more ads, you can click here, done, and create next ad. I recommend you that you create all the ads that you could, because it is important when Google, well, if you have a wide variety of products, just you have to click here and done and create next ad. So we're going to click here and save and continue, and that is everything that we have to do for this campaign. So we have finished. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you arrive here until the end, I ask you to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell. And if you like this content, please share with someone who needs this content. And I have to say goodbye and see you until the next. So, bye bye.